Oh, wait, that's good. Down, chin down, but stay up. Yep, love that. Hold up, let me. I like that. Using 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Love it. 1, 2, 3. It's good. Nice, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Love it. Love that. Yeah, I like the matching standout. That's cool. And then slightly tilted the body a little bit toward the street. Yeah, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Getting some low angle. Yep. Ooh, love that. 1, 2, 3. Love it. Oh yeah, let me show you the framing. Oh yeah, it's here. Yeah.
Okay, I love the purple.
Oh yeah, the purple
orange.
and orange. Oh yeah, the full body.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Oh yeah, let's do a couple more. Yeah, yeah. Wait, let me do the. Love that. 1, 2, 3. Love it.
Can we do a few more of the full body ones?
Oh yeah, the full body one.
Thank you.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Love it. Oh yeah, try one more looking back. Love that. Full body, yep. Love it. 1, 2, 3, yep, love that. Oh, wait, let me check. Love that, slightly looking back that side. Oh, wait, that's good. One more. Oh, that's good. Well, yeah. 1, 2, 3. One more couple more half body. Oh, wait, the angle higher. That's good. 1, 2, 3. One more look at the side. Yeah. Love it. Oh, wait, that's good. I'm gonna get a high angle line. 1, 2, 3, go. Love that. And then slightly turn the body toward the street. Yep, love that. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. No. Let's just check. Wait. Oh.
Oh my gosh, I love that I chose this fit. This is so fun.
Oh yeah, it stands out, and it's like complement color, right?
Yeah,
It's a complementary. It's like yellow and purple.
I think it's yellow and purple.
Or orange.
Yeah, blue. I don't have any royal blue.
But
though.
no, we don't have to do exactly the opposite, right? Yeah.
Oh, so cute.
Oh yeah,
love
that's
these.
good. And then the full body. Ooh.
Cute. Ooh, love these.
Oh yeah, this is good too.
Oh yeah, I love these a lot. Hey. Oh, so cute.
Oh yeah. One. Slightly the hair smooth outside. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Love that. Yeah. How about it? How about it in this one? Yep, love that. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, the sun is brighter. That's good. Nice. Love it. Oh wait, that's good. Hold on. I like the one more like that. Yeah, this is good. One. Love that. Yep. Just like natural looking. Yep. Sorry. Let me change that. Love it. 2-1. Love that. Ooh, wait. Now the sun is stronger.
Oh, dreamy.
Yeah, you can see that a little bit dreamy
Yeah.
on the shadow. Yeah. That's good. 1, 2, 3. Love it. Oh, yeah, that's good. And the low angle. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, half body. 1, 2, 3. Yep, love that. 1, 2, 3. Love that. And then a couple more with the hand on the jacket. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, that's good. One, 2, 3. Love that. Wait, looking down, chin down, but stay up. Yep, love that. Hold up. Let me higher angle. Let's see. Oh, wait, that's good. That's good. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Go. Love that. Slightly tilted. Yep, love that. Oh, that's good. I like that. Using the soda, slightly tilted, and then look back. Oh, wait, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yep, I like that here, like that. It's a Moody.
Moody.
Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Love that. Oh yeah. One more looking outside. Yeah, just like Moody. Love that. Do that Moody pose with the hand. Yep. Oh, a couple here off the shoulder. 1, 2.
Oh, I just pulled it in. Oh, yeah. Sorry, they probably said.
1, 2, 3. Oh, love that. Oh, wait, that's good. Hey. Wait, it's a different mood. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I love that.
Oh my god, cinematic.
That's the one for the Moody shot. It's this one. Yeah, it's so cute. I'm glad I fixed the hair. Yes.
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Love it. 1, 2, 3. 2 back. 1, 2, 3. Wait, let